everyone. I'm Dr.A.GMythili, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with Finance, Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about types of business communication. So, in types of communication, last video we saw about verbal communication. Now, in non-verbal communication, here it is behavior and elements of speech aside from the words themselves that transmit meaning. Non-verbal communication includes pitch, speed, tone and volume of voice, gestures and facial expressions, body postures, stance and proximity of the listener, eye movement and contact and dress and appearance. Research suggests that only 5% effect is produced by the spoken words. 45% is by tone, inflection and other elements of voice, and 50% by body movement and eye contact. So there are different types of non-verbal communication: body language, eye contact, blinking, tone of voice, facial expression, smell, time, personal presentation, gestures, pitch of voice, posture are some of the types of non-verbal communication. So now I'm coming to the body language. Some parts of body can express many indications without any sound. Message can be transmitted with the help of our mind movement, which is called body language. Body language is a form of non-verbal communication which consists of postures, gestures, facial expressions, eye movements. Facial expression. A facial expression is one of the most motion or passive or muscles in the skin or face. These movements convey the emotional state of the individuals to observer. Facial expressions for happy, sadness, anger and fear are similar throughout the world. A proverb says, a face is the index of mind. Example, by waving our hands, we express goodbye. By shaking our hands, heads from one side to a side, we express what we do not know. Gestures. Gestures refers to visibility, body language. Actions communicate particular message when include movements of the hand, face, eyes, head and other parts of the body. Common gestures include waving, point and using fingers by indicating numbers, amount. Culture-specific gestures that can be used as replacement for words such as hands waves, used in Western culture for hello and goodbye. Posture. Posture indicates the position in which we hold the body when standing or sitting. It helps to communicate non-verbally. Eye gaze or eye contact. Eye contact indicates looking, staring and blinking, which is important in non-verbal behaviors. Looking at another person can indicate a range of emotions including hostility, attention, interest and attraction. Define power and status and has a central role in managing impression of others. Appreciation and dress. External appearance also plays a vital role to communicate each other. Our clothes, dress provide a good visual signal to our interest, age, personality, taste and sex. Our choice of color, clothing, hairstyle and other factors affect appearance are also considered a mean of non-verbal, can evoke different moods. Consider differently cultural standards on what attract is dress and not on constitute mood. Touch. Touch is culturally determined, but each culture has clear concept what type of body one may not touch. That is, hug, kiss, hit, kick are some of the touch. Silence. Silence is another form of non-verbal communication when expressed a positive or negative meaning of particular message. In a classroom, silence indicates that students are listening carefully and attentively. Space or proximity. People often refer to need their personal space, which are also important type of non-verbal communication. The physical distance between you and the other signals your level of intimacy and comfort. If someone you don't know stands too close or touches too often, you'll probably begin to feel uncomfortable. Time. Another type of non-verbal communication involves time. That is, how we give meaning to time communicates to others. For example, Being late in everybody a worker can do considered a man of carelessness, but if a manager does it, we say it is a symbol of power. Paralinguistic, that is tone and volume of voice. Paralinguistic refers to vocal communication that is separate from actual language. Paralinguistics also include such vocal characteristics as speed of speaking, pitch, high or low of tone, inflection, volume, that is loudness, and quality, pleasing or unpleasing sound. Visual communication, when communication takes place by means of visual aid, it is known as visual communication, such as facial expression, gestures, eye contact, signal, map, chart, posters, slides, signs, etc. Forms to indicate danger, we use red sign to indicate. No smoking, we use to image showing a light cigarette with the across. Thank you.